Question number 11 says, there are 27 teams in a hockey league. There are 16 players on each team. How many players are in the hockey league? Okay, so I'm going to circle my numbers. I've got 27 and 16. My question is asking, how many players are in the hockey league? So in the whole hockey league, I'm looking for a total. So that means I'm multiplying or adding. But I see the word each, which tells me I'm going to be multiplying to find the total number of players in the whole league. Now, you have a few different options on how you want to multiply. So 27 times 16 is your problem. I would probably, since this is a test, work it two different ways. I would probably do the standard algorithm, and then I'm going to also do an area model. I'm going to do both of them to make sure I get the right answer. So I'm going to start here. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. And then I'm going to kill it, bury it, destroy my evidence. Okay, 1 times 7 is 7, and 1 times 2 is 2. So when I add it up, I get 432, which is an answer. That's a good sign. But let's check it. So 27 plus 16. So 20 and 20, 7 and 7, 10, 10, 6 and 6. Alright, so that's 200. That's 70. And that's interesting. Look, right here. 270. Isn't that what I got right here? Yes, when I put those together. So that's 12, 120, and 42. And look, when I add these two together, that gives me the 162. Okay, let's add up. Make sure I added correctly. Alright, so 2, 7, 8, 9, that's 13, 2, 3, 4, 432 twice. Yep, that's my right answer. And it's always a good thing to double check. You can work it a different way, and that's why I've shown you so many different ways.